Ah, get my hair. Haha. Okay, clip this on here, make it a little bit easier, maybe. So I put it right here. No? Ah, whatever. Okay, okay, so, in this video, this is part of a set of videos showing how the programming code in Cerberus Content Management System works. So I will be showing video demonstrations. I will be showing video demonstrations of each Cerberus post hypertext preprocessor language file. I will be showing the programming code, and then I will be comparing the code to the actual user interface on the screen. This is going to be a set of videos showing how basically how the mechanics of the whole system work. The mechanics of the whole system, how it all works together, and how it all works together in this specific edition version. So we're going to start with the Post Installation ToolKit, and I'm going to show that, and then we'll move on to the install file, and how that works, and how to install Cerberus onto a web server, whether it be shared hosting or dedicated hosting, by using various different installation methods. So let's get started. I'm going to play some music here. Alright, so I've got the music playing. Now, at the top here, it's going to be blurred after I process the video. Alright, so here we have the Post Installation ToolKit Post Hypertext Preprocessor files, okay? So I'm going to update this real quick here. As you can see, there's the installation toolkit. Here are the hypertext markup language links. That's these right here. So this is the terminal command application. So as you can see, the links here at the top link to the internal application functions. Okay. So if get application equals terminal, right? It's going to display all of this information here. And I just added a secure delete, self-secure delete procedure here. Why am I getting that pop-up? Huh. I'm gonna clean this up real quick and then we're gonna run it. My keyboard's a little tight, a little glitchy. So as you can see, it fills the file with zeros, and then it deletes the file. It'll delete itself, secure delete itself. All right. I cut the video. Okay, so as you can see, this is the programming code for this. The terminal command box uses the shell execute function within the post hypertext preprocessor scripting engine. Okay. So we're just going to widen this a little bit here. Alright, so some of the options that we have here are, one second. Okay, so some of the options that we have here are close open applications, execute a terminal command, install Cerberus Content Management System, and secure delete this toolkit. So you don't want to hit this button yet, or you don't want to select this option yet. You want to first execute a terminal command, okay? So as you can see, that's how this works, okay? We haven't extracted the file yet, but I'm gonna make another video showing how to use this toolkit, okay? Right after this one. Okay, so that's how it works. All right, there we go. All right, I'm gonna end the video.